Welcome to part 2 of the number balance series. In this video, let us see how number balance can be used to develop number sets. Comparing numbers. Well, here is a weight strip. Let me place it on number 10 on the right arm. Observe that the right arm goes down. Now, in order to balance the right arm, I have to place another weight strip on the left arm. So let me put it on 1. Well, there is no change. Let me put it on 3. Nothing changes. On 5 is the same. On 7, well, it's the same again. Well, on 10, yes, it's perfectly balanced now. Well, now I place a weight strip on 6 on the right arm. We will try to find out which numbers are smaller than 6 and which are greater than 6. I place a weight strip on 1, and as you can see that the right arm still remains down, and so 1 is smaller than 6. Now let's see for 2. Okay, 2 is also smaller than 6. Let's see for 3. 3 is also smaller than 6. And it is the same for 4. Let's check for 5. Well, there has been some change, but still it is smaller. Let us place on 6. Well, the number balance gets balanced horizontally. So 6 is equal to 6. Let's check for 7. Well, here the left arm goes down. So I can say that 7 is greater than 6. Let's check for 8. 8 is also greater than 6. And well, let's check for 9. 9 is greater too. What about 10 now? Well, 10 is greater than 6. So we can say that numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are smaller than 6. Whereas numbers 6, as it gets horizontally balanced, is equal to 6. And numbers 7, 8, 9 and 10 are greater than 6 as the left arm goes down. Making 10. Let us place a weight strip at 10 on the right arm. Well, to balance it horizontally, where will I have to place another weighing strip? Well, let us place it on the left arm. So now 10 is equal to 10. But what if I have to use 2 weight strips? So I have to balance 10. So I place 1 on the left arm and another one at 4 on the left arm. Where there is no change, let us place on 6. We are not able to balance it yet. What about 8? Let's check. Oh, there has been a bit of disturbance, but not exactly balanced. Let's check for 9. Well, yes, now it is balanced. So can we say 9 and 1 make a 10? Now, what about 8 and 2? Yes, 8 and 2 also make a 10. What about 3 and 8? No, they are greater. But what about 7 and 3? Yes, 7 and 3 make a 10 as it gets balanced. What about 4 and 7? Well, that is greater. But let me place it on 6. Well, now it is balanced. So 6 and 4 make a 10. Five and 6 is greater. But what about 5 and 5? Yes. So 5 taken 2 times of 5 and 5 will give a 10. Well, these activities with number balance can form a base for understanding operations. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel Navnirmiti Eduquality Foundation for exploring the number balance.